Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41 years of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. Manipal Cigna Health Insurance launches Lifetime Health India and Global Plan. Manipal Cigna Health Insurance has recently announced the launch of their Lifetime Health Plan, taking into consideration increasing incidences of healthcare problems and the rising costs, and to address the current concerns that customers have. The company states that this Lifetime Health Regular Premium Renewable Plan is thoughtfully designed after a period of research. Keeping in mind the increasing healthcare incidences and cost, the plan offers the benefit of high coverage, optional packages, and provides a comprehensive healthcare financing solution to secure an individual's and families' domestic and global healthcare requirements at every stage of life. Liberty General Insurance introduces AI-based automated car inspections. Liberty General Insurance has recently automated vehicle inspections for car insurance policy renewals and claim assessments using AI-based technology. This move is expected to transform the car inspection process, replacing humans in repetitive work at a very high accuracy level. Under this AI-based car inspection process, for renewing car insurance and/or for claim assessment, customers will just have to capture the photos or videos of the car and upload them on live mobile app or on the link shared with them. These photos or videos are sent to the cloud and an automated inspection report covering damage and claim assessment gets generated within a few seconds. It not only saves cost but also increases customer satisfaction by reducing the time required to settle a claim or renew a car insurance policy. IRDA fines Chola MS General Insurance Rs 1 crore for undue payments. IRDA has recently imposed a Rs 1 crore penalty on Chola MS General Insurance Company, stating that the insurer has violated certain provisions of the Motor Insurance Service Provider Guidelines. According to an order issued by IRDA Chairman Subhas C. Khuntia, the insurer had engaged with and made payments towards display of advertisement material with 4 MISPs from November 2, 2017 to December 31, 2019 in contravention of provisions of the guidelines. The violation continued for a period of more than 2 years. Therefore, the authority imposes a penalty of 1 crore. The order reads: Khata Book to launch insurance and credit this year. Digital ledger application Khata Book is exploring new revenue streams and may start offering credit and insurance products for merchants later this year. It has already started pilots and will cater to its 8.5 million monthly active merchant base through partner firms. Besides, it will look to introduce new features to improve discoverability and make it a paid service. The move comes after the posted losses of Rs 126 crore in 2019 and 20, with zero operating revenue since starting operations. Ravish Naresh, CEO and co-founder of Khata Book, said, "Our priority was to build the software bedrock of the company and double down on as many use cases as possible for merchants. We also wanted it to maximize reach and gain significant market share while getting supply chain visibility. Commerce and financial services are natural extensions to our product now." We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned.
विश्वास, पक्षी को अपने पंखों पर, बच्चों को अपनी मां पर, भारतीयों को स्टार हेल्थ पर। स्टार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस स्पेशलिस्ट, सदर।
Welcome back after the break. Exide Life Insurance certified as Great Place to Work. Exide Life Insurance Company has recently been certified as a Great Place to Work by the Great Place to Work Institute. The acknowledgement comes at a time when the company is focusing for accelerated growth by implementing a number of initiatives which include cultural transformation projects, heightened customer value proposition, and technological and digital upgrade. Being recognized as a great place to work strengthens the company's commitment toward offering its employees conducive work environment where teamwork and excellence is highly valued. The certification is a 4-step process which includes organization-wide employee engagement survey and submission of a culture brief. Tata AIA Life launches Fortune Guarantee Plus Savings Plan. Tata AIA Life Insurance has recently announced the launch of Tata AIA Life Fortune Guarantee Plus. It is a flexible, non-linked, non-participating savings plan which promises a secure financial future with guaranteed long-term income along with comprehensive protection cover. The plan also offers health protection in the event when the policyholder is diagnosed with a critical illness. Fortune Guarantee Plus offers 2 income options, regular income and regular income with an inbuilt critical illness benefit. If the insured is diagnosed with a critical illness during the premium payment, all future premiums stand waived, and guaranteed income will commence, allowing the customer to focus on health recovery rather than worrying about his income. Insurers may soon be able to launch covers without regulator nod. IRDA wants to move to a use-and-file system where insurers can market products without first obtaining an approval from the regulator, stated the chairman of IRDA, Subhas C. Kuntia. This is in contrast to the current file-and-use system where, if an insurer wishes to launch a new product, it has to file an application with IRDA and can sell the product only after getting all the regulatory approvals. Subhas C. Kuntia said at the Virtual Actuarial Conclave 2021, "We have already started this in some of the segments and we would like to go further. Unfortunately, this experiment, which we tried some time back, we found that some of the use and file products did not live up to the regulatory requirement." This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.